I went to work for Lanier Tech. They were looking for a diesel program, and I applied for it. And been doing that. Was in 2019. I got hired May 20th, 2019, and had absolutely nothing. Just had an empty facility, and I just took off from there. Went by, and did it by myself for almost 6 years.
Wow.
So,
how many kids did you start with?
My first class was in August of 2019. I had 7.
And how many kids do you have today?
Right now, I've got close to 100 students right now.
That's impressive. How did you get to 100 kids in just such a short amount of time?
You know, what they do is they bring students sometimes from the high schools to tour. And I'm pretty passionate. You can probably already see the passion. So I interact with them when they even come to visit me. I've got some electrical trainers that we use. And I get these students to interact and create the first wiring circuit. And so I get to interact with them. You know, I don't really know from the other side. It's just an assumption from me as they know that I care about them. And so I don't have a problem really recruiting.
That's super. And I'm sure the reputation has gotten out that you're a great teacher. And
the reputation is now out there. You know, with the skills comp, being state champion the last 3 years and 4 out of the last 5, industry respects me.
This is your calling.
It absolutely does.